It can be a real headache trying to get multiple flashes to fire into a single light modifier. This $12 gadget will change everything. So way back in episode 34, I talked about why you might want to use more than one flash inside a light modifier. You'll increase your power, lower your recycle time, and get more power out of your batteries. But once you have your flashes mounted, then you have to make them all fire at the same time, and that can be tricky. If you're using something like the Canon 600EX RT flashes, it's super easy. RT stands for radio transmission, and they have built-in radios that talk to each other wirelessly. So just use another Canon RT flash or the dedicated transmitter on top of your camera, and you can make all the remote flashes fire every time you take a picture. Some of the other camera companies also make similar radio systems, but maybe you have an older flash that doesn't have a built-in radio or another brand of flash that doesn't work natively with your system. So what do you do then? Well, if the flashes have an optical trigger built in, you can set it to fire when it sees a light come from a flash that's on your camera. You can also add external optical triggers to each one that'll do the same thing. You just can't shoot in auto TTL mode because your primary flash fires a short pre-flash to gauge the light, and that'll make your remote flashes fire too early. So shoot on manual flash only and you should be okay. If you use a third-party radio system like Pocket Wizards, you might have to put a separate receiver on each flash. However, since they use standard 3.5mm jacks, you can pick up a cheap headphone splitter like this Bergman model that allows you to plug one Pocket Wizard into multiple flashes, and they all sync together just fine. So look, there's a few ways to get all your flashes to fire together. Figure out what works best for your setup so you can set it, forget it, and shoot away. Hey, I hope you're enjoying my weekly 2-minute tip videos here on Adorama TV. Join me for a new episode every Monday at 11 a.m. Eastern, and follow me on socials. I'm @David Bergman, and I will see you next time.